I have in front of me here a swan-necked garden hoe that's available on the gardenshop.ie. To go through the overall dimensions of this, the head on this hoe here is a total of about 15 centimeters or 6 inches. The overall height is 145 centimeters or about 4.5 foot, and the shaft itself is 25 millimeters or an inch in diameter, and it's coated in powder paint. It has an easy grip handle here, and if I just lift up this tool here so we can have a closer look on the workbench here and just turn it over here, you can see that the handle is joined into the carbon steel head, which has a type of hammer finish on it, so it's quite neat. Now what it'll be used for, it's more of a heavy duty hoe than the traditional Dutch hoe, okay? So it can actually be used for tilling the soil, so you can actually chop the soil quite well with it. You can also use it for weeding, and you can also use it just for roughing up or going along the edge of a path. You can actually possibly at an angle there use it for killing weeds. So it's quite a versatile hoe, and it's part of a wider range of gardening tools that we sell. So for instance, we have the traditional Dutch hoe beside it here. But if we just come back over, actually I'll start with the smaller tools here. We have things like our hand tools here, which would be at the low cost end of the market here with a very basic fork here with a wooden paddle handle. We'd have up from that a complete set of aluminium tools. We'd have kneeling pads, gloves, and then we get into rakes, spades, shovels, a yard brush, a sledgehammer, axes, pickaxes, and forks. So as you can see, we have a reasonably comprehensive range, including wheelbarrows, and we're starting to add on power tools now as well. So that's it, an overview of the swan-necked hoe available on the gardenshop.ie.